I'm here to show you 3 really cool Zippo tricks. The first one is simple. It's called a lid pop, I think. The second one, I'm gonna use this one because it doesn't light because it's old. I put fluid in there. Just doesn't light. I haven't mastered this trick yet, so let me try that one time. I think I created this one. I'm not sure. I don't know, but okay. For the third one, I'm gonna have to use the one that lights. That is called the Twilight Zone. And so 50 thumbs up, and I'll show you how to do these. Okay, thanks for watching.